Why is anthropocentrism a challenge for vegans? Imagine a world where every creature's worth is measured only by how much it benefits humans. That's what anthropocentrism promotes. It's the idea that humans are the most important beings on Earth. This view often leads people to see nature and animals as resources for human use. For vegans, who believe animals have their own rights and value, this mindset creates a big obstacle. Anthropocentrism makes it easy to justify using animals for food, clothing, and entertainment. It treats animals like objects rather than living beings with feelings and needs. Vegans argue that animals are sentient, meaning they can feel pain and joy, just like humans. They believe animals deserve moral consideration, not just because they are useful to us. But anthropocentrism dismisses this idea by saying animals exist mainly to serve human interests. This way of thinking supports practices like factory farming and animal testing. Vegans oppose these because they cause suffering and exploitation. But because many societies view animals as commodities, changing this mindset is tough. Laws and customs often reflected human-centered values, making it harder to protect animal rights. Another challenge is that anthropocentrism harms the environment. It encourages short-term gains for humans, like clear-cutting forests or polluting waterways, which destroys animal habitats. Vegans care about the environment because it's home to countless animals. But when humans prioritize their needs over nature, it leads to habitat loss and species extinction. Overcoming this challenge means shifting how society sees animals and nature. It involves recognizing animals as individuals with their own rights and intrinsic worth. Vegans work to promote this change by advocating for animal welfare and environmental sustainability. They believe respecting animals and protecting ecosystems benefits everyone in the long run. So, the reason anthropocentrism is a challenge for vegans is because it puts human interests above animal welfare. It justifies the use and exploitation of animals and supports environmental harm. Because this way of thinking is so deeply rooted in many parts of society, convincing others to see animals differently takes effort. But by raising awareness and sharing ethical perspectives, vegans aim to change how we view our place in the world.